Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes. Good evening, everyone. Turn on your camera. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Yes. Good evening, everyone. How was your paper?
Nice.
Sorry.
Actually, I have one doubt in it, sir. One question doubt I have in that.
Yes, Kavya. Just a minute. Wait. See, I just posted 4 names. I just posted 4 names, children. I think Devasri one of that, and Pranav is one of that. One of them. And first, I would like to ask these guys to join the session. The class is at 5:15, but I just asked if these 4 children to join and they get the clear. And I need 3 reasons why you guys are going bit down. Actually, yesterday there was last session was good, but I don't see again she's doing good in this exam.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was having the 4 questions doubt, sir. I was not confident with this answer, sir. That's why I got less marks in the 4 questions.
Okay,
And
what
the
you
second reason is I went to my grandma's house. There was no proper net connection. That's the second reason, and the third reason is there was a function, sir, at that time. I have prepared a lot for that exam, but I could not do. Those questions were not getting into my mind, so that was the mistake which I have done.
okay? What about Pranav?
Sir, for some questions, so I think I only got 4 wrong. And so out of those, mainly 2 of them, I made a calculation error.
Mhm.
And the other 2, like for one of them, I guess my topper was stuck because it didn't register the. So I clicked on one option, but then I wanted to change my answer. But then when I clicked on another option, then it won't let me.
Okay.
So that went wrong once. And another time the question, yeah, I didn't read the question properly, and that's why it happened.
Okay.
If you don't mind, can I say something?
Yes.
Sir, can you explain the 20th question of the exam after this, sir?
Definitely, we'll discuss. We'll have a question paper discussion. No problem.
Okay, sir, thank you.
After this, first, let us, clarify the reasons, 3 reasons behind getting, less percentage to these children. We'll go for that. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Modita Kazi, Modita Kazi. Yes, tell me, guys. I don't see these guys joining. No problem. But still, yes. Devasri and Pranav, I should see you guys in top 5, top 3 in next exam.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Prepare
Yes,
well.
sir.
Prepare well. No, but turn on your everyone turn on your cameras first. Yes, Aditya, how did you feel? How was the paper, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
How was the paper? How did you feel?
Sir, I got two
Strain,
mistakes.
strain, strain. Okay,
Yes,
be
sir.
cool, be cool. Okay, okay. Okay. Yes, how did you feel, Aditya? Tell me. See, first, I'm not going to teach anything now. I would like to ask, I would like to motivate the children who got less marks. No problem. Aditya, what is your person? How many marks you got? And what's your rank?
Sir, I think 87. Sir, I got two mistakes.
Okay, very good. Shreyan, how many marks and how many questions you got correct?
Sir, I got 17 questions wrong. Correct, sir. 3 questions wrong.
Ananya,
Sir, I got 19 correct and 1 wrong.
19 correct, 1 wrong.
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta. Taruni, Shreyan, Ananya, Devasri, Kavya, Pranav, everyone turn on your cameras. Make it fast. Why, Taruni? Due to internet issue. Yes, Akshit, how did you feel? How was your paper? How did you write?
Sir, I wrote good.
What
I
went
felt
wrong?
that it was, sir, I got full.
Very good.
So a few questions were tricky, sir, but I think it was good.
Yeah, I have some doubts sharing that 3 questions.
Wait, wait. If I'm talking one by one, you should not interrupt. One second, guys. Kaji, may I know why are you late? I asked you to join at 5 o'clock, right?
Sir, I was not knowing. I did not see the message.
You didn't see the message. Why?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Why? Why didn't you see? Tell me. Why? See, you when every Monday you guys will be having for lower scoring students will be having no extra class, right? I mean, extra class means like first 15 minutes you must join and just let me know the reasons behind getting the less marks. So that was the reason I asked you to join, isn't it? Kavya, Aditi, Mohit, Jivika, Toshnika, Sujay, Bhargav. I request you all turn on your cameras. Yes or no? Yes. Jivika, how was the paper?
Sir, it was easy.
Okay. What was it? How much you secured? What is the score?
I scored 75 out of 80.
Very good, beta. Pranav, what was your score in last class? I mean, last test. Last
Just
test.
one
How much
before this.
Pranav, just a minute. Jivika, what was your score in last exam?
Sir, I don't remember what my score was. I can check and tell you.
Please. Toshnika, tell me what is your mark?
Sir, 70 out of 80.
Good. Taruni, what was your mark? What is your mark now? Tell me. Taruni, are you here?
Yes, sir.
How many marks you got?
Sir, I got less marks, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, I got less marks.
When? What is your score in this exam?
Sir, it's 45% I got.
Now? This test?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last exam, how much you got?
Sir, I don't remember, sir.
Okay, okay. Hmm. Sujay, how was the paper?
Sir, I got 70.
Krishna Chaitanya,
Sir, I got 80.
Piyush,
Sir, I got 80. But sir,
Karan.
like I have a for the last test, the results are not declared yet. The last week's test, sir.
It has been declared.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
for
like
topper, it
declared.
has not been declared. It's kept on hold.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Topper is
Actually,
not
we do
See,
not know like
answers.
where we made our mistakes.
one
Yes,
second.
So
Yeah, yeah. I just asked you to approach Rahul, sir. How many have you done that?
Sir, me.
Sir, I have approached Rahul. Sir.
Okay, okay. I'll talk to Rahul, sir. No problem. Okay. And I will let you know. No problem. Tomorrow, probably next class will be we'll make sure that by next class we are having, your results in the topper. Okay. Nitya, Sai, Srikruti, turn on your cameras, guys. Don't be without turning on your camera, please. I should not say this again and again. It won't be good. Tell me. Pranav, Mohit, how was your test?
Yes, sir. It was easy, sir. Like quite easy. But actually, sir, there was a problem with my test, so I couldn't see it. And I had contacted Rahul sir about this also.
Okay. Nitya, Srikruti, what about you?
Yes, sir. I got 80, sir.
You are 80. Nitya, are you here? Hello? Nitya, are you here? I don't see. I can't hear you, Nitya. Harini,
Yes, sir.
what was how much you got?
Sir, actually, I could not attend the test because I'm not feeling well, sir. Actually, I'm suffering with fever and fever, cold, and cough, sir.
Okay. How much you got? Sorry.
Yes. Sir, I did not attend the test, sir.
Okay. Now are you fine?
Yes, sir, somewhat okay.
Okay. Akshit.
Yes, sir. I got 80.
Very good, beta. Yes. So guys, like overall, how many? How much you got? I mean, I'm asking you all that. How was the paper?
so it was really easy.
Easy, sir, but
Sir,
three
easy, sir.
questions,
Easy, sir.
some tricky and not able to
Okay.
understand.
Okay.
I have doubts on it.
Yes, I will try to clear that. We'll try to clear that. Yes. Still, many of you have to join. I think. What is your class strength?
Sir, 28.
Sir,
I think
27.
28 seconds, sir.
28. Good. So many people have to join again. Why? Why? Guys, be on time. Everyone, I asked you to be on time actually. Uh, Modita, I asked you to join at 5 o'clock. Why since you got a few, I mean, like you got less percentage in exam. I asked you to join at 5 o'clock.
Yeah,
What?
sir. I didn't check, sir.
You didn't check.
Yeah, sir.
Please, everyone, turn on your cameras, guys. I'm looking at you all guys, but you guys are not responding, and you got us not turning on your cameras.
Sir, actually, before time I was attending, I had some internet issues. That's what I had the problem.
Sorry.
So before time when I was attending, sir, I had some internet issues.
Okay.
That's what this time I have come. You can check up my before ranks, sir.
What's your before rank? What is your mark in last exam?
Sir, I don't remember, but my rank will be in 1 to 4 only, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, see those who got less marks, those who got less marks comparatively or other friends. I'm just telling you that you must be in a position. I should see the students. Like I just gave 4 names. I just posted 4 names, right? I think Modita, Pranav, and Modita, and who was that?
Devashri.
Devasri, and who was that? One more guy. Ilayaraja. Ilayaraja is not from your class, I think.
It's not Raja sir, it's me.
Oh, it was you, Ayo. Acha, then see here, you please give the name of yours, not other's name. Okay, I mean like dad's name or mom's name, whatever. I'm just telling everyone that guys, just join with your name, not with your parents' name. Okay, so that I can understand who is that particular student is. If you give someone's name, so I won't be in a position to understand.
Sir, actually I gave my full name, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, bro. Chalo, and one more guy. Who was that? Yes, Kaji. Kaji, how was the paper, Kaji? Why did you get less marks? Tell me the reasons. Taruni also, just tell me the reason. Kaji, tell me what are the 3 reasons? Major genuine reason why you need. Sir, I had technical issues. Sir, I had functions. I don't want to hear all this stuff. Okay, make it fast.
Sir, I was not prepared for number system, but Heron's formula I got.
Okay. Heron's formula you prepared. Number system you didn't prepare. But you should know, right? I just told like 2 days, couple of days back itself that from this topic you are going to get the test. Right, isn't it? Question test paper is going to be, given from number system and Heron's formula. Isn't it?
Sir, some questions in number system only I could not understand the question.
Okay. Then if you're not understanding anything, that's your responsibility to ask, isn't it? We have a doubt session every Wednesday, but that is your responsibility. You should solve. And sir, I'm having doubts here. Just come up with those doubts. No problem, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then isn't it? So ask the doubt and come up with that. Is that clear?
Exactly.
Yes. Okay. Kaji, yes, you are not you didn't prepare. And what is the reason? Tell me. Still? Till what else?
Sir, actually the house is busy, so I could not study properly.
Okay.
Means I get less time to study, sir.
See, I should see the children who post the name which has been posted in the group. I should see them in top 4 or top 5, isn't it? Okay. All right. Kaji, Taruni, Pranav, and Devasri. I should see you guys in top 4. Don't neglect it. Last time you got less good marks. Again, you should maintain that. Your graphs will be always high. So you got 1 marks, high mark, then next exam you got less marks. It shouldn't be like that. At least, even like last exam, for suppose you got 19 marks, you must get a 19.5, 20 marks here. And next exam, 21 and 22. Keep moving like that. Always. Always like, keep moving. Don't, commit to mistakes. Come up with your doubts on every Wednesday. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Chalo, now let us discuss the question paper. If you have any doubts, guys.
Yes, sir, I have few doubts.
Yes.
Yes, sir, even I have few doubts.
Just a minute. Yes. 1 second, let me share the screen. Look at the number obtained on rationalizing the denominator. How do you rationalize? Very simple. I don't think so. You guys having doubt here. Rationalizing. Kaji, do you know how to rationalize this?
Yes, sir. We will multiply root 7 minus 2 on both the sides. Yes. Into
Root 7 minus 2 or root 7 plus 2? Root 7 plus 2 we should multiply, not with a minus. We have denominator, we have minus in the denominator, right? So we should multiply with a plus and you should multiply and divide with a plus and is that clear? Numerator and denominator.
Yes.
Yes. So that's how we can do. I think anyone has a question, first question doubt?
No, sir.
Very good. Second question, look at the second question.
No doubts, sir.
Third one. Second question also, guys, look at it, the same thing, same pattern. Third one, tell me the third one.
No doubts, sir.
Okay. One second, guys. One second. Third question, guys. Third question. Any doubts? I'm asking you whether you have a doubts.
No, sir.
No doubts.
One second. Piyush is joining now. Yes, fourth question. Any doubts in the fourth one? Any doubt in the
Yes, sir.
fourth
Can you
one?
please explain this question, sir? How
Yes.
do you do that?
See here, what he has given root 2 value 1.414 given. Then square root of root 2 minus 1 divided by square root of 2 plus. Yes, just substitute there and just get the value.
This
Yeah.
question you gave in starting tests of number systems.
Yes, questions
Yes,
might
I
be.
always
Yeah.
tend to ask about it every time.
Yes. Look at this. Look at this. This is a question, right? So, the question. 1 second. Square root of. So, question paper discussion. Hello. Question paper discussion, question paper. Guys, why I'm writing all this? Why? Because you should know. If you have any doubts, again, you can go through this and find out the doubts. Okay, the fourth one, right? Whole root of square root of 2 minus 1 divided by square root of 2 plus 1. Isn't it? This is the question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So look at this here. If I rationalize here, what I'm
Sir,
going to
how can we rationalize, sir? Because we have the complete root, right?
so what will happen? Who told you to not rationalize inside the root part? Is there any rule something like that? Isn't it? Isn't it? No, no rule. You can just do absolutely. You can do that. Square root of so root 2 minus 1 whole square divided by a स्क्वायर मैंने बी स्क्वायर तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा इधर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab 2 रूट 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 तो मुझे मिलेगा 3 minus 2 into 1.414. Is it clear? So 3 minus 1.414 मुझे कितना मिलेगा?
So you can just leave it as root 2 minus 1 whole square, and you can just cancel the square.
Yes,
in
you
the
can do.
square.
That is also correct. That is wonderful idea. Wonderful. That is also you can do that. Why? Because I can again make it as a perfect square. Look at it, root 2 minus 1 whole square. This will be getting answer root 2 minus 1 can be written as 1.414 minus 1, which will be the option. Look at the option. Option C is correct, 0.412. Is that clear? 0.4142.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Next, this question is also has been asked.
I have a doubt for the fifth question.
Look at the fifth one. So fourth root of. The question is what? Fifth root of fourth root of fourth root of
Third root.
fourth root of third root of
2 square.
and 2 square. So how?
2 root.
See here. So first you just always solve inside the bracket. What can I write? This can be written as 2 square means 4, right? So 4 to the power of 1 by 3. Is it clear? 4 to the power of 1 by 3 it can be written as, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
how can
Yes.
I write this? 4 to the power of 1 by 3 whole divided by whole to the power of 1 by 4. So this can be written as 4 to the power of 1 by 12. Is it clear? 4 to the power of 1 by 12. 4 to the power of 1 by 12 can be written as what?
2 square.
2 to the power of 1 by 6.
2 to the power of 2 whole power of 1 by 12. So 2 to the power of 2 by 12, which gives me 2 1 2 6. So 2 to the power of 6 is the answer.
So 1 by 6, right?
So 1 by 6.
Yes, 1 by 6. So 2 to the power of 1 by 6. 2 1 2 6. 2 to the power of 1 by 6 is the right answer. Clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Rosnika understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Next question. So sixth one. So product of all this is what? Very simple. Already we have solved this one, I think so. So yeah, there might be a repeated question, but you know it is a basic intention that whether you guys have understood those questions or not, and whether you gone through your mistakes or not. If you didn't go through that, I can understand that you guys still still again, if you made a mistake, it means that you guys didn't follow the previous mistakes. If you are committing some mistakes, please learn out of it. Okay. Sixth question is easy. Any doubts from the sixth one? Any doubt?
Sir, I have doubts. Sir. Can you do it?
What is your doubt?
Sir, I'm not understanding how to do the sum, sir.
So 2 to the power of 1 by 3 into, so 2 to the power of 1 by 4 into 32 to the power of 1 by 12. Isn't it? So 2 to the power of 1 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 4 into 2 to the power of 5. 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 5. So 2 to the
Yes,
power of
sir.
1 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 4 into 2 to the power of 5 by 12. So all bases are same. Let me add the powers. Isn't it? So what is LCM here? What is LCM? 12. 12 is LCM, isn't it? So 4 plus 3 plus 1. So 2 to the power of 8 by 12.
plus 5.
So plus 5, yeah, right. My bad. 5, so 8. So 12 by 12. 2 is the answer. Clear? Yes or no?
Yeah, sir. Understood.
2 is the answer. Next question. If seventh one is very easy.
Sir,
And
can you scroll up?
this one?
No, sir. That question paper only.
Next.
Sir, I'm asking in question paper.
Then okay.
Sir, wait here, sir. 3, sir, it is 3 root 2. Then why have you written like 2
It is
raised to
not 3
3?
root 2. That is a cube root. See here, we have a difference. Look at this here. Let me give an example. 3 root 2 is different. Third root of 2 is different. Both are different here. See here, 3 is inside the this V shape, isn't it? 3, if 3 is small, then I could read that as cube root. I mean third root. If 3 into root 2 separate, this is different and this is different. Both are different. This is 3 root 2. This is cube root of 2. Is that clear?
So we have written 2 raised to the power 1 upon 3. If
So
it is
2
inside,
to the
so
power of 1 by 3, this is how we must write. If you have something like this, simply we'll write 3 root 2 only. We don't change anything. Is that clear?
yes, sir.
Chalo. Any doubts in the 8th one? 8th one, very simple. Guys, any doubts in the 8th one?
No, sir.
Ninth,
No, sir.
9th one?
No, sir.
Perimeter of triangle, very
No,
simple. 10th one?
No, sir.
Very simple. Direct
No,
formula
sir.
apply. 11th one? The length of each side of an
No
equilateral
doubt, sir.
triangle
No,
having
sir. It's just 3 by we apply.
Ah, yes. 12th one?
No doubt, sir.
Sir.
13th one?
So yes, I have a doubt in this, sir.
Sorry?
Yes, I have a doubt in this.
Yes.
So in this one, I got the answer as root 15 by 2. But it's not in the option. So I can do one solve it.
What about others?
So I understood it.
See, area.
By 2 is there in the option. It's option B.
Sir, you told this question also, sir. 14.
Yes, we have solved this question as well. We have solved this question exam as well. Sujay, you got option A only.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So actually, I didn't do this thing. I remember you teaching us, so I just did this straight.
Okay, good. What about others? How many of you got root 15?
So I got it as root.
I got it. I got it.
Yes. Look at this here. So area of a triangle having base 2, length of one of the sides is 4 centimeter. The base 2 given. Which one? That one? 14th one. So the equal, I mean, isosceles triangle means, so the base is given 2, this is 4, this is 4 given, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is the form? What formula I can use? Square S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S is equal to 5, isn't it? 4 plus
Yes,
4
sir.
plus 8 plus 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 by 2 gives me 5. So square root of 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 2. Look at this. Where is the option that we get 2? Look at this. 5, 1 into 1 into 3. So 5, 3 is 15. Very simple. Look at this. Kavya.
So one doubt.
Yes.
Okay, nothing.
Yes, sir. Done.
So
Next,
how did 5 into 1 into 1 into 3 become root 15?
Five
Okay,
into-
5 3s are 15. Sorry, sir.
okay, next question. Next question. So the edges of triangular board are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 12
Yes,
centimeter.
sir.
The
This is
cost
simple.
of painting 9 paisa per centimeter square. This question also I think we have solved, isn't it?
Yes, sir. You just find the area, then we multiply it with
Yeah. First we
0.95
Yes.
root 1 pi is equal.
Yes, we found an
So 9
area.
pi.
We found an area by using Heron's formula. We got 24 centimeter square. So the cost of the painting of the area for 1 centimeter square is 0.09. So for the cost of the area for 24 centimeter square is what? 0.09 into 24, which means 0.1, 2.16 is correct. Next. So the value of 4.423. Array, very simple. Convert the decimal into fraction.
423 by 1,000, sir.
Yes. So none of the options are possible except A option. So can we write 0 in the form of P by Q? Tell me.
Yes, sir, of course.
Yes, sir, we can write.
Yes, sir.
0 by 4 can also be written as 0 only. So from the choices given below, co-prime numbers. What are the co-prime numbers?
2 and 3.
Co-prime, what is the
2
co-prime?
and 3, sir.
The
What is-
common factor should
what
be
is the-
1.
So
Common factor should be
highest common factor is going to be 1. All right. Highest common factor HCF of those two numbers should be 1. All right. So next, the rational
Yes.
number between root 2 and root 3 is
So I have a doubt with this question, sir. The 18th question.
yes.
So we can just simply do it by calculating root 2 and root 3. One is 1.4, one is 1.7.
I just want to highlight one point, sir. Over here in our NCERT textbook, for example, 2 for the first chapter, it's written that recall that to find a rational number between R and S, you can add R and S and divide the sum by 2. That is R plus S by 2 lies between R and S. So over here also we can apply the same formula, right? So for the option A that I chose, root 2 plus root 3 by 2. That is the procedure to find a rational number between both of them.
But sir, here the RNS, like in that case, it's rational, but in this case,
RNS are rational numbers.
It is not a rational.
It's not.
And here root 1, root 3 are
Root
irrational.
2, yes,
Yes,
root
sir.
2 is what? 2 to the power of 1 by 2. 2 to the power of some whole number. That can't be a rational number, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Roshnika. Yes.
Yes.
So option C is correct. Simply you can find it out. Root 2 is 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732. The only possibility option is C option 1.5. 3 by 2. Yeah, so much. Simple thing. So look at this. Both are irrational number. So 1.8 is greater than root 3. So root 3 is what? Somewhere 1.732. So of course option C would be correct. Common sense. Option question number 19.
Sir, it's
How simple it is.
2, sir. Option 2. Option C.
Silly question. Next, this one.
So 3 root 3.
3 root
3
3.
root 3. How many of you made a mistake in this question again?
So it's 2 plus 1, 3 root 3.
2 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3 gives me 3 root 3. That's what. Is that clear? Yes. Yes, guys. Now let us go with our regular class. We were in statistics, isn't it? So tell me, guys, how many have you done with your what we call your worksheet?
Sir, you haven't posted any worksheet, right?
Didn't I give any worksheets and triangles?
Sir, you gave, sir.
That's what I'm asking. Whether you have done
Oh,
it or not.
triangle we have given, sir. I was asking about statistic.
Okay. So what I do is now.
So in statistics, we were in group frequency table.
Yeah. So we are there actually, but no problem. We'll do one thing. First, you guys tell me that whether you guys are having any doubts or not. Okay, so now we are going for the statistics. Okay, so let me give that once again. We have seen example for bar graph as well.
Bar graph, sir.
So now let us talk about histogram as well. Let us talk histogram.
So you're not presenting your screen.
1 second. One second. What's happening? Oh. Guys, whose duty is today for I mean, asked you to make a question, right?
So for the quiz, you mean?
Yes. Quiz.
Sir, I think Bhargav has not shared this.
Guys, who's like either who has to create the quiz today?
So we didn't assign people for today, sir.
We didn't assign.
No, sir, you have assigned after me and Bart also.
So sir, only
It
Harini
has
took the
someone,
quiz.
Yeah,
So
Akshat had
Bhargav is
presented, he
remaining.
presented it already.
I think last time it was me and Devashri who was supposed to present last class.
Yeah.
And Devashri and Bhargav is remaining, I think.
Okay. And now, like, who has shared their questions and who didn't? I'm asking how many of you shared your questions and how many of you didn't? Hello?
Sir, that day I changed, I shared my questions in the chat box actually.
Okay. Yes. Okay. But today's who has to prepare the questions?
Sir, I think no one has prepared.
No one has prepared.
No, we didn't assign people for today actually.
Yeah. See here, guys. Let me assign 1 second. 1 second. So we have to go for statistics, isn't it?
Sir, who will prepare the question next class?
Next, I'll assign the people. Just a minute. One.
Sir, should I share the link of a quiz that I have made right now?
You made right now?
Sorry, not made, sir. I mean, like, I had got it.
No problem. Okay, you can just share it out. And guys, look at
Okay.
it here. And first we'll go for the statistics concept, then we can do that. All right.
Okay, sir.
Not immediately, but we'll first go for the statistics. And you just remind me at 16 something like that. I have few questions from the statistics. We'll go for that first. Then we'll make a move like this. Okay. I think we are in last chapter. After this, we don't. I think yeah, this is a last chapter for your term one
Yes, sir.
syllabus. No
Yes, sir.
problem. Yes. Can you able to see the screen?
No, sir.
Oh, yes. Look at this, guys. So we are going to make a move for the chapter called statistics.
Sir, I cannot see the black part.
You can't see. Just a minute. Let me. Then we'll do one thing. Page color. Yes.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Yes. Look at this. The question. Now we are going to discuss. Now yesterday we have discussed bar graph and histograms, and someone of you have asked the frequency polygon as well. So look at this here. For that, we have simple steps. Look at this. So basically, histogram means what? A histogram means basically what is happening. Yes. Look at this. The line like bar graphs, but continuous class interval. It is like what? Bar graph only, but continuous class interval. So area of each triangle is alpha, which is frequency of a variable with the width is equal to the class interval. So in histogram, what will happen? Area of each rectangle is alpha. Is not alpha. It's proportional. It is what? It is proportional. It is proportional to the frequency of the variable and the width is equal to the class interval. Look at this here. If I take any frequency, I'm just taking the variable here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. So what is the frequency? 5, 0, 5, 10, something like that. So this is how the histograms will be. This is how the histograms will be. The bar graph is what? Bar graph and histogram will be as like I say only, but not exact. Is that clear? Everyone is understanding, guys. Taruni, you understand?
Yes, sir.
So like bar graphs, but continuous class interval. We'll have a we won't be having gap between the class interval. Look at this, a continuous class intervals I have here. I don't have gap in between this. So in bar graph, how I use to have, if I have a one graph here, here one, here one, here one, something like that. So here I had some gap here, but I don't here. Look at this. I don't have any graphs. I don't have any gap between. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is a bar graph. And this is my histogram. Clear? Now that is what histogram is about. Now frequency polygon. Frequency polygon as like a histogram only, but we'll be just making the we'll be plotting the points and we'll be making a line in between. See? All right. So if I just if the midpoints of each polygon, if the midpoint of each rectangle in a histogram are joined with a line segment in the figure, look at this. What's happening? Midpoint of this, look at it. The midpoint of this is here, the midpoint of this is here, the midpoint of this is here, the midpoint is here, the midpoint is here. Look at this. Can you able to see the midpoints here, guys?
Yes, sir.
1 second. Is look at the midpoint. This is I have mid. Oh, 1 second. Have the midpoint here, 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 here. These are the midpoints. So what are the midpoints of each rectangle is in a histogram are joined by the line segment. So if I take all the midpoints of the rectangular boxes, if I join with the line segment, look at this. What's happening here? Here. This. I'm joining all these midpoints together like this. Clear? Yes. Now, so after joining whatever you formed, whatever you find, that is what called as frequency polygon. After joining whatever you find, that is what called as frequency polygon. Is that clear? Can be drawn without histogram as well, but need midpoints of the class interval. All right, you can just draw by using histograms as well, but you need a midpoints of the class interval. For suppose 20 to 25 have here, 20 to 25, but I need a midpoint here. So if I have midpoint, I can just join like this, somewhere like this, like this. Is that clear? This is how you can draw, and you can just join the line segment. You can join the midpoints, and you can just draw a line segment. Is that clear? Basically, what's happening is, like, if you have histogram, what will happen is you can exactly measure the midpoint. Look at this. I know the midpoint is here, 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 here. If I take a dot on that, if I take midpoint over there, what will happen is, after that I could join them easily. Look at this. Look at this. I can join them, and if I join, after joining whatever the part I get, that is what called as what? Frequency polygon.
To draw frequency polygon, we need to draw first the histogram and then the frequency polygon.
Yes, first
Like without
Yeah.
histogram, we cannot draw frequency polygon.
No, sir, we can draw it without.
We can draw. Yes, of course we can draw. Without frequency polygon also we can draw. But we need a midpoint of the class interval. That's what I told already.
Yes, sir.
20 to 25 we have, right? We need a midpoint. This is the midpoint here. Look at this, is the midpoint here. This is the midpoint. This is a midpoint. This is a midpoint. We need a midpoint of the class interval. If I have so, I can just plot. I can just I can mark here. Look at this. I think I'm not knowing with what color I should highlight it. 1 second. I think black.
Sir, what is the means? What has been drawn in starting of 0 and 20?
Sorry.
What is that black color?
Where? This block. These are midpoints. Midpoint of that particular interval. If I have
No,
the
sir, that not. From 0 to 20.
Where? That one. That one. You mean that one? There is nothing. There is nothing. There is nothing. You mean here? Here, this one.
Yes, sir.
We don't have anything. From here it is started 0 to 05. The graph is started from 0 to 20 to 25.
So what's that, sir, exactly?
Which one?
The
Nothing.
zigzag.
Yes, nothing. There is. Look at this here. You can simply, there is clash between the data. You could say whatever the data is not found. You could say anything, something like that. So you can draw like this also without straight.
Why it will be for histogram and the graphs which are like this?
For not you can draw simply like this as well. Who told you to draw like that only? We can just make like this as well, no problem.
Actually, we generally use them for we have to start the x-axis as 5, 10, 15, 20. So to remove this 5, 10, 20, we draw this.
See here, not like that. Look at this. If you can, for not removing like that, man. See, first straight away you can take from 20, 40, 60. You can take 20 units gap.
Yes, sir. Actually, the difference between the graph is 25, right? So
yeah, nothing.
We need to start from 5.
You can just do difference between the 5 is for yes, you can just make like this as well, no problem. You can just make like this as well. We don't have anything. You can write simply 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. You start from here. No one is gonna school. No one is gonna question you. All right. You can start from 20
sir.
after plotting. No problem at all. Now we'll have a question. So get the questions. Now we are going to start with the exercise question. The first exercise. What chapter is it? 9.1, 9th chapter.
14.1, sir.
Okay, 14.1. So exercise 14.1. If you go through this, guys, you can find plenty of examples. Look at it.
So this is from NCERT.
Yes. So I'm not going to teach all this, guys. I'm just going to give a hint to you all how to solve. You have to make it from NCERT.
These are done, sir, actually.
Okay. So that's what, just for give an example that examples of data you collect from your day-to-day life. You can just take any data. We take any data. Data is completely in your hand. You can take any data, whatever the data you take, but you take that and just collect it and just frame in box. Okay.
Let's, sir, once can you show that frequency polygon example?
Which one? This one? Yes, we will draw. See, actually, frequency polygon, this is not in our syllabus basically, but you know, I just took that extra and I'm just teaching you, but that is
Yes,
not.
because in our school exam they're giving us, sir. That for a
Okay.
school that giving us.
Frequency polygon, basically frequency polygon is like example. We'll solve the question, don't worry. We have upcoming questions in our next, don't worry. We'll solve, don't worry. We'll go with one by one. We'll start with the bar graph and line histograms, then go for frequency polygon. Let us not jump directly to the advanced sum then. Okay. All right. All right.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now classify the data. Classify the data in question number 1. Whatever the data you take, the data is not same for everyone, right? You know, some people will be taking, you know, whatever the data they feel, and X child will take the data about their, you know, marks on, you know, Y children take a data about, you know, cricket match. You know, Z student is take a data about, you know, number of, you know, people live in country, and some other children take a, you know, number of people who got vaccinated, number of people, you know, some other children might take, you know, I'm just giving you the ideas, I'm giving you.
Marks.
Sorry.
We can take like example as exam marks or.
You can take it. That's what I'm telling you. Example, exam marks, number of students, number, you know, population of Indian country, and the population of Hyderabad state, Hyderabad, you know, city, and you could say, you know, a number of factories, number of schools in Hyderabad. You could take number of children and school. You can take anyway. See here, if I talk about, you know, the people who got, you know, affected with the COVID-19, and the people and the ratio of that, and the ratio of who got vaccinated, you can take like that. Any data, and compare classify data as a primary and secondary data. What is the primary data and what is the secondary data? I just gave a definition of primary and secondary data. Go through that and just use. This is completely like task for you all. Task. All right.
So
So
primary data means right to hand data, and the secondary data we get the data from any source.
Yes, any source. That is what I'm telling you. Next, now this is what your first exercise. If I talk about exercise 14.2, exercise 14.2, if you talk about, look at this here. So the blood groups of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. So yes, so represent this rate in the form of frequency distribution table. So the most common, which is the most common, and which is the rarest and blood group among these students. What you have to do here, represent the data in the form of frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table you might be aware of, and we have discussed that as well. And which is the most common, what you have to do here, in frequency table, what you have to take, most common, which is the rarest, and blood group among these students. Take the frequency table like this, make it to what happened?
Sir, in frequency distribution table, do we need to take even tally marks or no need, sir?
Sorry, what marks?
Tally marks, sir.
Tally marks. See here, basically you can take randomly. He did not given any particular data, right? He did not just given 30 students, which the order given A, O, B, something like that. You can just no tally data in the sense like, you know, these people, you know, this group is accepted by, you know, few, like, you cannot give blood to everyone, doesn't it? You are talking about blood relations, I mean blood groups. So this person can donate to this one only, A given to O positive only, B positive people give to, you know, A positive people only, something like that. The tally data you mean like that? See, you are saying about see, O positive people can donate a blood to any, that was
sir, like we'll draw a frequency distribution table, no sir. First we'll write the blood group in the
that's
first
what I'm
column.
telling you. That's what I'm telling here. You without writing blood group, then how do you do that? How do you do?
Yes, sir.
You must do. Look at this. We have A, B, O, isn't it? A, B. This is what you have. Draw like this, and this is what person. Sorry, blood group. This is blood group, and whatever the, you know, parameters he is asking you to follow, just go for that and just finish it up. Very simple. All right, next, the distance of 40 engineers, from their residence to their place of work are found as follows, something like this. Okay, so construct a grouped frequency distribution table with a class size 5. Oh, class size is 5 for the data given above. Taking is the first interval 0 to 5 and 5 not included here. And what is the main features do you observe from the table representation? Guys, how can you do this? And guys, look at this. I think, you please follow the second and third and fourth questions. I think it's a time to go for the quiz now. The student who has created the quiz, please, you can share the link so that everyone can start the writing quiz.
Okay,
And
sir.
guys, look at this. 1 second. Yes, second, third question and fourth. Whatever the questions given here, please try these questions. If you don't find, we'll definitely discuss in the next class. However, the next class is doubt session only, right? You can just clear your
Yes, sir.
doubts. So this is homework.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Make it fast, guys. Only 5 minutes
So I
of
shared
time
the
we have.
link.
You share the link. Please, everyone
Yes, sir.
should join the class immediately. Immediately. See here, the class strength is 22, excluding me. 22 members have joined. So within 5 to 10 seconds, you must join. Make it fast, guys. Make it fast. If you join, you can start. And how many questions you have given? Who is the host of the quiz?
So Mohit.
Mohit. So Mohit, how
Yes,
many
sir.
questions you are assigned?
So around 10 questions.
10 questions. So 10 questions, you can solve any 6 questions better way, because 10 questions you can solve it actually, but we have 4 minutes of time. You can start the quiz. How many of you guys joined?
So there are 16 in the game.
16 in the game. Okay. What about others? Everyone, please do join the meeting. Do join the quiz. And Mohit, you just wind up the quiz at exact 6:15. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can start the quiz now. Make it fast. Last 2 minutes.
So should I end the game? It's 6:15 right now.
Yes. Last 15 to 20, last 20 seconds. Wait.
Okay, sir.
20 seconds. Make it fast. Guys, everyone.
Sir, someone named 80 joined.
Yes. Guys, you can wind up the quiz now. Please tell me top 3 people.
Okay,
name.
sir.
Make it fast, Mohit.
Yes, sir. Sir, so the first person is Pranav.
Very good, Pranav. Make it fast.
And the second person is Ananya, and third is Kavya.
Very good. Congratulations, beta. And yes, so those who didn't get top 3, I should see you in top 3 in the next quiz. I should see compete for the top 3 positions. Congratulations. So thank you, children. So please go to the class notes, and we'll meet in the next session. And then goodbye. Thank you.
Sir, who's the person
Thank
who
you, sir.
should
Bye,
take
sir.
the next quiz?
Sorry, Ananya, will you be able to do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, along with Ananya, who's ready to do? Along with Ananya, who's going to make the questions? Make it fast.
Sir, I am also okay.
Who is that? Strayan. Okay, Strayan. Yes.
Chapter, sir.
Sorry.
Okay, sir.
Can we have a quiz on different chapters? sir?
Yes, you
Yes,
go
sir.
with.
Which chapter?
Yeah, which chapter you are lacking with Ananya?
Heron's
Choose
formula.
that.
Yes, sir. We can do for Heron's formula.
Yes, please go with that.
Okay, sir. Heron's formula. I will do it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Harini and Strayan, you have to make three questions. Okay. Thank you.
It's Ananya and
Ananya and
Sorry,
Shreya.
Ananya and Strayan. Ananya and Strayan. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.